requested. Let us quickly look at sectional drawing. Sectional drawing, which is question 3. Sectional drawing, which is question 3. So it is very much important to read and to read the question and analyze those views. You understand? So figure 1 diagram sheet 1 attached shows 2 views of a casted link of a machine. So the name of the title of the drawing that we are doing is what is a casted link of a machine. According to a scale 1:1, an inverted angle orthographic projection, draw the following views of a casted link. Draw a full sectional front view, on the cutting plane YY, 7 marks. Using a scale 1:1, draw a sectional right view on the cutting plane ZZ. Insert only the following symbol and dimension on the drawing. You understand? So let's go the set diagram sheet 1, isn't it? Figure 1 diagram sheet 1, which is this one. So these views are given in what? In first angle orthographic projection. They are given in first angle orthographic projection. So I hope you can see the dimensions there because they're a little bit faint. I hope you can see it. So this is the front view, this is the top view. You understand? So the front view and the top view. The question said what? Said to draw a full sectional front, draw a full sectional right, front and a right. You understand? Front and a right. So what is when you check there, we are given the front and the top. We are given the front and the top. So which means we have to draw the missing view. You understand? So now let us start. So you'll be advisable to start with what? With the top view. So we have to use these 2 knowns to get the missing view. Somebody might be like, why is it necessary for us to draw the top view? What is they didn't say anything? You understand? You see, if you look, the question didn't say draw an outside top view. Sometimes they'll be like draw the top view. You understand? So, but in this case, they didn't even say it, which means if you draw it, you won't be given marks. You understand? But it is necessary because you cannot have 2 unknowns. For instance, say we have a front and the top and the missing view, which they said you have to draw it. So that is why it is necessary to use these 2 so that you get what is missing. So I am going to start. They said to draw it to a what? To a scale 1:1. I'm going to start by drawing the top view the way as it is. You understand? So let us start. So I'm going to start with this diameter. Diameter 43 divided by 2. So using a scale 1:1, you must always have your calculator, isn't it? So 43 divided by 2. In the previous video, somebody said I'm jumping a lot of steps. So I don't know. I used to think like I'm not jumping any step. You understand? So I don't know. But then this is 21.5. So this is 21.5. This is 21.5. Is between 21 and 22. You understand? So I'll draw it here. Since it's the top view, let me just go draw it dark. So this one, is that one supposed to be hidden? So the inner one is diameter 26. So this one supposed to be hidden. It's fine. So I can put the horizontal center line as well as the vertical center line. You see, I'm starting to draw it up there so that it's also existing there by my front view. You understand? So this is diameter 43. So the inner one is going to be diameter 26. So it's 26 divided by 2, that's 13, isn't it? So I'm going to open my drawing compass to 13. This is 13, right? If so, I come and draw it right here like this. I can have it. Then from there, what can follow? Let's draw the bigger one. So from here, okay, it's diameter 72. You see the bigger one is diameter 72. So 72 divided by 2. 72 divided by 2 is 36. So open your drawing compass to 36. 35, 36, which is this one. Right, then from there, I can draw it dark. You understand? So from there, this one is the one that you said is supposed to be hidden. So I can simply do like this. Then after that, let's get these ones. So from here till there is so much is 54. So we are going to say 54 divided by 2, not because of its diameter, you understand, not because of its diameter, but because of the vertical center line, so that from here till here is the same as from here till here. You understand? We are dividing it by 2, not because of its diameter, but because of the vertical center line. So it's 27. I simply put it at my 27. This 25, 26, 27 is right there. So I mark at 54. This is 55. I mark at 54 and mark at 0. You understand? Then from there, can put this one faint for now. You see, I'm extending it till up there so that it's also existing there by my front view, and have this one solid, and have this one, there you go, this one solid, which one is this one, isn't it? Which is this one, and this one. And then from there, let's see what is going to happen. So we are going to follow it by what? By 75 horizontally towards my right hand side from the center, isn't it? From the center, from here coming this side, we are getting how much? We are getting 75, and that 75 is actually not giving me what I'm looking for, so I'm going to end with it. So from here, I'm looking for a dimension from here till right there. You understand? So that dimension is what? Is 96 from there till somewhere there. Analyze it nicely there by your top view, which is from here till right there, isn't it? So 96. So from here, where is my 96? Is 95, 96 is that one. You understand? After I've marked, so extend the center line just a little bit and get another vertical center line. Draw it just a little bit long, going up until it also helping you there by your what? Your front view. So now let's get to this one. So the small diameter is diameter 17. So where's my special? So I want to be fast. Diameter 17. I'm going to look for diameter 17 here. It's this one. You understand? So this is my 17. And so remember, we are drawing this top view the way as we see it. So we are having diameter for 34. This one, diameter 34. So do I have a 34 here? Yes, I do, which is this one. Which is this one, isn't it? There you go. Right. Then after that one, let's see what we can get now. So now I can take my 30mm ruler and get this one. We just join the circumferences. So in mathematics, this type of a line, they call it what? You let me down there on the comment. What is the name of a line that is just touching the circumference of the cycle? All right, so from there, let us get to this one then. So from here till there is how much? Is 75. Remember, guys, we are busy with mechanical drafting and under the topic of what? Of a sectional drawing. Yes, my brother is a tangent. Yes, thank you for executing. I normally used to say in my class we execute so that people, they don't fall asleep. So they said from the center, isn't it? From here till right there is 75. 75. Okay, 75. Too close. 75, which is that one. From here till here, 75, and from here till here, 96. Yes, we are at a right track. Okay, so from there, this is my 75 ending, isn't it? Then I project it vertically up. Then from there, okay, it's supposed to be like this. Just take it just a little bit. Okay, after the 75, let's get to the what that's supported of what? Of the thickness 8mm. Of the thickness 8mm. So we're going to say for this side, 8 divided by 2, you are getting 2mm, isn't it? So 8 divided by 2, you are getting 4. So this is 5, this is 4, eh? So I mark here, and 9, this is 8. So from here till here is 8mm. You understand? So from there, faint, and then I can have this one faint. So then this one, we are going to get it. Okay, we can get it, but this one, we are going to get it nicely if we draw that. We draw this M, and if it's like this, it simply tells you what it has got threads. So these are the threads, you understand? So now this is diameter 8. I can simply do it like this. This is diameter 8, isn't it? Remember that it's supposed to be in hidden. You understand? So from there, you can take this one. The shadow is actually disturbing me. Because it's not a sharp corner there. Even this side, you understand, you do the same thing. Just pull it just a little bit. Then after that one, let's see, have we left anything? Yes, we did. This one, diameter 19, so 19 divided by 2, you are getting a margin 9.7. 9.7. This is 10. This is 9.5. Where am I taking the 7 that I'm talking about? So it's going to be between 10 and 9. You understand? So I mark at 19. This is 20. I mark at 19 and mark at 0. And then from there, I'm going to project this center line from here till here. From here till here, not from here till there. So which means from this center, which my drawing table is small, so my equipment, they keep on falling. Okay, but we'll see what to do. Where is it now? Right. So I think our top view is complete. I only left this one. So now I'm going to approach to draw the front view. So I'm going to observe the orthographic projection law. There you go, which says separate your views with 20 millimeter. So I'm going to have a faint line horizontally. You see, draw it further so that it's also helping you there by your right view. Understand, your left view, sorry. We do not talk about the word right, since this is the projection symbol of the first angle orthographic projection. So now I'm going to construct all the points that are existing on the vertical component, such as this one, project it up faint. This one is already there. This one, take it as well. This one, take it as well. You understand? You project them up faint, all of them. You understand? So this one, take it up as well. There you go. There you go. This one is already there. Take it this one. This one already there. We draw it already. There you go. There you go. There you go. So which means the front view, when I'm drawing the front view, I have to be a little bit faster than the time when I was drawing the top view. You understand? Because in the what you call any dimension that is behaving horizontal, I am not going to draw it. I am not going to deal with it anymore. You understand? Since we have this, since we've dealt with them, by the time we are taking by the time we are drawing the front view, I mean the top view. You understand? So now, for instance, from here till here, this 54, I am not going to measure it. Why? Since we've already dealt with it. So I have to just know from here till here is that dimension. You understand? From here till here is that dimension, which is this one and that one. So I can draw it dark from here till there. So the dimension that will be correlating here is only the height, vertical, but horizontally, which is the length, we are not going to, because this is the front, this is the top. So any dimension behaving vertical, it's a height. Any dimension behaving horizontal, it's a length. You understand? And we know what the front and the top, they will always share the same length. You understand? So now let's get the dimension from here till here. So in order for us to get to this dimension from here till here, we are going to deal with what? With this 90. This 90 from here till there. They said it's 90 millimeter. And so from the center, there is my 90 millimeter. Let me extend this one just a little bit. Don't mind about this one. This was a marker. I was testing the marker whether